Good morning, everybody. This short video will walk you through some of the tasks that you'll have to do over the next week or week and a half or so for Module 4. So when you're on the module page, you can view the Module 4 overview. This starts with a short introduction to the section with a short introductory video on the topic of ionic and molecular compounds. As you go through the module, keep looking back to the objectives for this section. So identify, describe, and differentiate between ionic and molecular compounds, identifying charges, naming ionic and molecular compounds, and we'll go through drawing Lewis structures, predicting if a covalent bond is polar or nonpolar, and recognizing formulas and structures of hydrocarbons and naming simple hydrocarbons. The first lesson has to do with ionic compounds. We have some readings for you in OpenStax chemistry, and these links take you right to those specific readings, and also in the LibreText chemistry. And usually in the OpenStax, there will be practice problems you can do at the end of the reading. You might want to go through those on your own. If you have any questions about those as you go, please let me know. And we have a set of videos for you on nomenclature of cations, anions, ionic compounds, and ionic compound formation. And you can watch that in PlayPause. Lesson 2 is centered around molecular compounds. And again, we have textbook readings for you, both in OpenStax and in LibreText. And again, as you go through these sections, you should try working through the practice problems to evaluate your understanding of the material. We have another playlist for you for molecular compounds that you can watch and PlayPause. And we have a few different assignments. One is called Build a Molecule, and the next is called Exploring Polarity of Bonds. And both of them involve you interacting with an interactive online simulation and taking screenshots as you go. So if you haven't done this before, make sure that you have your snipping tool ready. If you're using a PC, the snipping tool is probably the easiest way to take a screenshot and to insert it into a document. These are two different formats. This is an assignment, and this is an assignment that's in new quizzes. So just be aware that the look and feel of the two assignments is going to be different, and it may take you a little bit of time to go through them. So start them early, make sure you finish them in time. There are no peer reviews for this section, for this module. These are solo assignments. If you have any questions as you go through them, please don't hesitate to reach out to Kimberly or to me, and we'll be happy to help. And lastly, the quiz. There's a quiz on both ionic and molecular compounds, and you can take that at the end of the module when you're ready to do so.